Hey guys, we are on to the nature dragon. There's also a nature crush. This is a nature crush, which is just like the terror crush one from the last episode. I did not have it. I'll show you guys when I do have it. Alright, there we go. Yep, and it's all loaded. Baby. Young. Adult. I got from the market, not from breeding. And its element is grass. And here's the description. The nature dragon loves humans and animals and all living things. Some of them for gastronomic purposes, even though she hasn't eaten a whole human, and a finger or two have been lost. So she's basically a dragon that is basically calm to everything. Okay. And by the way, the plankton dragon is not in the nature habitat. It's over here, in the water habitat. Alright, so you guys don't get confused. So see you guys on the ice dragon next.